This is Mahoney Travels. Are you guys looking for an upscale resort experience right here in Siem Reap, outside of town in a province where it's quiet? Wow, another amazing Mahoney Travels video right here in Siem Reap. If you guys were in town for Bonam Tuk, congratulations. Record turnout for the Cambodian people. Many tourists from all over the world. It was a great weekend, and if we didn't see you guys, we look forward to seeing you guys again. But right now, today, we are excited to show you a brand new boutique hotel right outside of town. And it's located just outside of Siem Reap in the countryside here. And out the back, you can see dirt roads and cow pastures and rice paddies. Let's dive into this, guys, and see what this place has to offer, if it's worth your while or not, or if it is. But I know if I was going to stay here, it's got that new hotel feel. It's brand new, literally just built, just opened. Let's check this out. All right, let's walk inside here and give you guys a little walk around and see exactly what kind of rooms they have and the options and the features. First, we're going to start with the restaurant because I'm going to give you guys a little behind the scenes here on what they have to offer for food. And the two main dishes they'll have is all Western dishes, of course, because a lot of Western tourists will come here. And also they have Khmer food, which is, you know, Mahoney Travels #1 Khmer food. I love it. It's my favorite. Let's check out the restaurant here, guys, and let's go in the kitchen and check it out as well. This is where you're going to spend your breakfast. Some rates for this place will include breakfast, others will not, depending on how you book and how much you pay. But also, they have lunch and dinner available as well. Let's go inside the kitchen and look behind the scenes. All right, guys, let's go inside the kitchen and see where the magic's made. Let's go check it out. Hello, brother. Yeah, oh, look at this, guys. Wow, incredible. Look at all the amazing food here. Nice kitchen here. This is where all your meals will be prepped for everybody. Look at the nice mushrooms. I love that. So when you guys order your food, they can do room service, or you can also come downstairs and eat. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Yes. And this is where all the magic's going to happen. Let's go inside now and look at some rooms. If you guys are hungry yet, I know I'm hungry. Let's go inside right now and check this out. Quick point for you guys on the West, America and UK, they do have handicap ramp accessibility. Let's check this out. So if you are handicapped and you require wheelchair service, they do offer that for you here. So let's check it out. Hello, Swarm. Oh, wow. Look how inviting everything is. Hello, hello. Wow. Wow. I'm impressed. It's dark wood, just rich Khmer style furniture. My goodness, look at this, everybody. Hello, hello. Yeah, wow. Angkor Wat, of course, yeah. Wow, you talk about luxury. It's so peaceful and quiet in here as well, but it smells delicious. It's just got that fresh, like just new hotel smell going on. I love it. Look at all the rich wood over here, guys. Wow. All right, let's go upstairs and check out some rooms. Okay, let's check out this suite. It's well appointed, very rich, very warm, and it makes you feel like you're at home. Let's go inside and check it out. Wow, very nice. Wow. Let's look at this bathroom. I think that you're going to be impressed. Well appointed. Wow, I'm clean already, I can tell. Wow, wait for this drum roll, please. Jacuzzi tub, romantic. Look at that, huh? Oh, very nice. All right, let's go check out the main part of the suite where you'll be sleeping on your nice, restful night here in Siem Reap. got the mini fridge, a nice TV, hotel safe, and the aircon is really ice cold. So for those of you Westerners that are not like me, I'm already acclimated. I can sleep with a fan now all night. I eat with a hawk. I do everything in Cambodia. However, for those of you guys here on holiday, you're probably gonna want some aircon. And I tell you what, I can feel the aircon like it's gonna snow in here. It's that crisp. So I like the couches. Check this out. Nice added touch. And check out this balcony for your morning cup of coffee or maybe some late afternoon tea. Yeah. Wow. And of course that pool. As always, guys, I'm going to leave the contact information below. I will also leave the map location for you guys. So on your next holiday, I would recommend you guys staying here. I personally know the general manager very, very well. He's a really good man. This is a second room here. Okay, this is like a mid-size room. Check this out. Whoa, look who's on TV right now. Whoa, Mahoney Travels. Yeah, check it out, guys. Subscribe. I want to take a quick second and ask you guys, if you have not liked and subscribed yet, please do, as it helps our channel grow and reach a bigger audience with the algorithm on YouTube. We appreciate you guys watching. Let's jump back into this video. This is the mid-size room right here, okay? And it's got everything you need. It's got the double bed. This is great for like if you are a family, mom and dad, and you got 2 children, okay? It's got a well-appointed bathroom. It's got the nice robes as well available to you. So when you have that morning cup of coffee on the balcony, and wow, look at this bathroom. Ladies, your hairdresser right here, good to go. Nice sink. Talk about a big toilet. I like that. Wow. Wow, look at the big jacuzzi tub. Can anybody say red wine, bubbles, romantic? That's what I'm thinking. Let's go check out the rest of this place. Guys, want to look at the balcony? This is where you're going to enjoy that morning cup of coffee, okay? Right before you go into town to enjoy the Angkor Wat Temple. All right, where to next? Let's go check out a new room. One more room for you guys. They've got 17 rooms in total here. It's actually an old mansion that's been converted into a guest house, and it's made just for those Western tourists that want to come here and enjoy a lap of luxury. Let's go check out one more room. All right, this is going to be room 26, okay, on the top floor. Let's check it out here. Wow, very nice. This has a very warm feeling to it in this room here. Like it's just like you're at home and you want to sleep and relax. It's got a really nice, pleasant smell to it because it's very brand new. And they've got like a nice aroma to it. I really like the professional touch that they added. They go the extra mile here. Like I said, I know the GM well. We'll leave his contact down below. You guys can come stay here and you guys will not be disappointed. But check out some of the nice features in this room. Nice couch. I love the table lamps. I love that very Western flavor there. Look at that nice cushy bed. Wow. Again, you got a nice hotel safe, some bath towels, and robes. Okay, wow. Nice full, wow, look at that rain shower. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, let's go check out some more stuff around here. Just for you guys know, they do have an elevator. I'm in it right now, so you can take the stairs or you can take the elevator. Check it out, guys. Very modern, very fresh. I like this. All right, guys, this is the Seyna residence, and like I said, when you come to Siem Reap on your next holiday, this is definitely a place you want to check out. You definitely won't be disappointed. We're going to leave the contact information down below. They're not listed on the OTA booking site, so this is kind of one of those really like unique gem of a find that you just won't find anywhere. So we're gonna leave the hotel telegram and WhatsApp down below for you. So when you want to come book, just WhatsApp them and they will respond. They do a 24-hour service at the front desk. They have food, everything you guys need here, and they also offer shuttle service to and from the city. So if you guys go check out Angkor Wat, or you just want to go into town to hit Pub Street, or whatever your pleasure, they will accommodate you on all of that. I would stay here if I come back on holiday again, because I definitely like the added touches of the rich Khmer architecture here, and I love Cambodia, so I know that you guys will love it too. All right, everybody, let's talk to my good friend and general manager here, Sai, and he's going to tell you a little bit about where we're at, okay? Go ahead.
Hello, yes, this is Seyna resident. So Seyna resident waiting for all of you to stay and enjoy for your vacation in Siem Reap. Thank you. Yeah.
I want to say a special thank you to my good friend Sai, the general manager. He will take good care of you guys. He's one of the first people I met when I moved to Siem Reap, actually before I moved, because I come here on holiday. And I really appreciate him allowing us to make this video. And like I said, when you guys come, mention Mahoney Travel sent you, and you guys saw it on YouTube, and he'll be appreciated for that. So you never know what kind of perks you might get. But until next time, guys, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. We'll see you guys in another video. We're signing off from Siem Reap, Cambodia. Thank you. Have a good night.